Set on the edge of one of the most beautiful bastide villages in the Dordogne, this charming property near Domme offers space, flexibility, and sweeping countryside views, all within walking distance of the historic centre. Positioned in the heart of the Périgord Noir, the home enjoys a privileged setting where medieval architecture, vibrant markets, and rolling valley landscapes define everyday life. It's an ideal base for both relaxed living and welcoming guests. The main house opens into a generous open-plan kitchen, dining, and living space, bright, sociable, and perfectly suited to modern lifestyles. Large openings frame the surrounding views, create a natural flow between indoors and out. 2 comfortable bedrooms and a shower room complete the principal living area, making it practical and easy to enjoy year-round. Above, with its own independent access, is a self-contained apartment featuring a kitchenette, living area, bedroom, and shower room. This private space is ideal for visiting family and friends or for potential rental use, subject to the necessary permissions. Across the courtyard garden, a separate guest house adds yet more versatility, offering its own bedroom, kitchen, and living room, perfect for extended stays or multi-generational living. The garden rises gently along the hillside, revealing a series of seating terraces designed to capture the panoramic views. These peaceful outdoor spots invite morning coffee, sunset drinks, and long summer evenings surrounded by Dordogne scenery, with parking, multiple accommodation options, and an exceptional location close to Domme shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. This is a rare opportunity to own a versatile character property in one of Southwest France's most sought-after areas, ideal as a main home, holiday base, or hospitality project. In the rolling countryside of Lot-et-Garonne, just minutes from the historic village of Puymirol, this impressive stone property offers space, privacy, and timeless rural charm. Reached by a private road and entered through wrought iron gates, the setting feels exclusive and peaceful, yet never isolated. With open views stretching across the surrounding landscape, the main house, offering around 300 square meters of living space, immediately impresses with its scale and character. Inside, a welcoming entrance hall leads through to a generous lounge and a separate dining room, perfect for both relaxed family living and entertaining. The fitted kitchen includes its own dining area, creating a warm and sociable heart of the home. This level also features a shower room, separate WC, and a large utility and boiler room, adding practicality to the layout. Upstairs, the sense of space continues with 5 bedrooms, including 2 with ensuite bathrooms. A family bathroom and an additional room ideal as a child's bedroom or dressing room provide flexibility for changing needs, whether for a growing family or hosting guests. Outside, the lifestyle appeal truly comes into its own. A secure swimming pool, recently updated with new cover and liner, sits beside attractive terraces designed for long summer days and outdoor dining. Surrounding the house are approximately 2.5 hectares of partly wooded land, offering both privacy and natural beauty. The outbuildings are equally impressive, including a substantial stone barn of around 290 square meters, along with 2 additional stone outbuildings, ideal for workshops, storage, events, or future projects, subject to permissions. Combining grandeur, land, and location, this is a superb countryside estate, perfect as a substantial family home, hospitality venture, or a peaceful rural retreat with room to grow. The heart of Coutances, one of Normandy's most characterful cathedral towns, this elegant early 20th century manor offers refined living space, period charm, and everyday convenience, all within easy walking distance of shops, cafes, and restaurants. From the moment you arrive, the home makes a statement, blending classic architecture with modern comfort, including mains drainage and a recently installed heat pump central heating system for efficient year-round living. Step inside and you're welcomed by a grand entrance hall and a truly beautiful central spiral staircase, the architectural centerpiece of the house, setting the tone for the space and character found throughout. The ground floor offers a fitted kitchen, a study with marble fireplace, a bright lounge flowing into the dining room for elegant entertaining, and a convenient WC. Across the upper floors, the layout is both generous and flexible. The first floor features 4 bedrooms, along with a bathroom and separate shower room, while the second floor provides 2 further bedrooms and a large games room, perfect as a leisure space, studio, or additional guest accommodation. Above, the attic adds yet more usable volume and potential. Beneath the house, a full-size basement mirrors the footprint of the property and includes a wine cellar, boiler room, workshop, and extensive storage, ideal for collectors, hobbyists, or practical family use. Outside, the enclosed garden is framed by lawns and mature shrubs, offering a private green setting in the center of town. A garage and off-street parking complete the package. Elegant, spacious, and superbly located. This manor house delivers classic Normandy character with the comfort and practicality required for modern living. A rare central Coutances opportunity.